Hey folks, welcome to Bobcat Turf Talks. My name is Ron Scheffler, Senior Product Manager for Bobcat Mowers. Today we're going to be talking about the mechanical suspension seats found on the commercial ZT series mowers and what's underneath the seat. First off, to adjust the weight adjustment dial knob on the mechanical suspension seat, you turn it clockwise for heavier operators and counterclockwise for less weight. Every mechanical suspension seat comes with a lever that pushes in to either move the seat forward and back. The armrest on every mechanical suspension seat is rotating up or down for the operator's choice. Let's take a look under the hood. There's levers in the back to push the seat forward. That allows you full access for all your do-it-yourself repairs and cleaning at the end of the day. Underneath the seat is a document tube that holds the operator's manual. Please read that before you do any mowing at all. And in between the seat and the seat plate is found other important paperwork, such as your warranty statement, engine owner's operator's manual, and serial tags for future use. Thanks for watching today's Turf Talks.